Alright, so usually you have to have quite a bit of trouble finding the vultures, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the ones I know where they're at really quick. So we should have 5 here. There's usually some more circling around the map in a minute. Alright. Just keeping an eye out for those vultures, because they really are a pain to find. Alright. Alright. So if you're missing one hoop, which is usually what happens, they kind of hid them in plain sight a little bit. Alright, let me show you where it's at. It's right here. Alright, if you're having troubles finding the last pieces, it's nice to have a little boost of fuel. So I don't know the order you guys like to do it, but I will show you where some extra fuel is hiding. After I grab some more time gates, of course. This is the most unorganized way I could do it. Just make your rounds. That's the easiest way to actually get everything done organized. Alright. Do the gates. It's funny because they only back you up at, like, of course, 5 seconds, but it takes about 5 to get back to the to get back in there. Alright. I'm going to show you where that extra fuel is in just a second. Alright, it's right here. I know we're missing some vultures, so I'm going to go grab a few more Norks and loop around and get that. And right here at the end of this pillar. Oh no. Oh my gosh, last second. That was probably the most unorganized one I have, but there you go. Now you know where everything is.
Right. Shall I take on this flying challenge?
Alright, round 2. We're going to go ahead and do the light gem real quick. Alright, here we are, Sgt Bird number 2. So I usually have a tough time getting everything done in a good time span, so in this little thing we have a bit of fuel, which is awesome. Second on my list that's kind of a pain to find are the vultures. Oh, there's one. So we're going to go ahead and tag those first. So there should be 5 floating around in that castle-y area, but then there are a few more hanging out, just floating around one of these pillars down here. I'll show you which one. Bombs are very useful, though, by the way. Missiles are a lot of fun to use. I think they're better because they're accurate, but I do like using the bombs. Those are actually pretty useful. Alright, so for these hoops here, there's a, not really secret, but one that's a little bit hidden away. I'll show you where it is. It's right here in this little crag, a rock. Oh my, come on. There we go. Alright, we're going to loop back around, grab some more time gates, use some of that fuel I've got hidden. That usually helps when you're on a time crunch to have a little extra fuel, at least in my personal opinion. And just after this but after this time gate, it is a few vultures. There are, I should say, a few vultures. The last 2 time gates are right around this corner. And then all we have to do is shoot down some more Norks. And there's one in here. Here we are, last one. All done. Whoop! And here we have another light gem.
A light gem. I ought to get another stripe for that one, eh? Add to the collection. That will be all for now. But I can go back at any time and practice just for fun.
Thanks so much for watching again. We'll see you guys next flight. If you have any more questions, go ahead and comment down below. I have the rest of the videos for the dragon eggs and the light gems coming up soon. Thank you.